Greetings Photoshop enthusiasts, welcome to Jawad Soomro Productions. Today, we will delve into the realms of masks, a powerful tool that grants you selective control over image areas. Masks act like stencils, revealing or hiding portions of a layer, allowing for precise edits without damaging the original image. Creating a mask. Here's how to create a mask. Select the layer you want to mask. Click the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of this Layers panel. It resembles a rectangle with a diagonal line. Choose black or white paint as your editing tool. Black hides, while white reveals. Masking techniques. Number 1. Brush tool. Paint with black to hide unwanted areas, and white to bring them back. Adjust brush size and hardness for finer control. Number 2. Gradient tool. Create smooth transitions between hidden and revealed areas using the gradient tool. Number 3. Selection tools. Make precise selections with tools like the lasso or rectangle tool. Then fill the selection with black or white to create a sharp mask. Refining the image. Number 1. Feathering. Soften the mask edges using feather option in the brush settings panel. This creates a gradual transition between masked and revealed areas. Number 2. Refine Edge tool. For complex selections such as hair, use the Refine Edge tool to adjust edge smoothness, contrast, and other properties for a natural look. Seeing through the mask. Hold down the Alt key for Windows user or Option key for Mac user and click on the mask thumbnail in the Layers panel. This temporarily hides the mask areas, allowing you to see the underlying layers for better reference. Conclusion. Masks offer endless possibilities for creative editing. Experiment with different techniques, explore blending modes, and unleash your masking mastery. Remember, practice makes perfect. Bonus tip. Combine mask with adjustment layers for non-destructive editing. Apply adjustments like color correction or sharpening only to the revealed areas of the mask, protecting the original image data. I hope this empowers you to explore the wonders of masking in Photoshop. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in comment section below. Follow my Facebook page over here, Jawad Soomro Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, Jawad Soomro Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.